Hi everyone, welcome back to Printer Tales. Are you looking for a solution to fix the Epson ET-3850 offline issue? The printers usually go offline due to a change in settings or outdated firmware. In today's video, I'll walk you through 3 different methods to fix the issue. For a one-on-one assistance, call us at the numbers displayed. Otherwise, let's get started with the first method. Method 1. Ensure the printer is set to online. Go to your computer, click on the Start icon, then search and open the Control panel. Find Hardware under it, click on the View Devices and Printers. Find and right-click on your Epson ET-3850 printer. In the list of actions, click on the See What's Printing option. Now, the Use of Printer offline window will open. Here, click on Printer. Uncheck the Use Printer offline option. If setting the printer online fixed the issue, subscribe to our channel. If the printer is still offline, let's set it to as default printer. Method 2. Check the default printer. Go to your computer, click on the Start menu. Search for printers and scanners and open it. Scroll and find Let Windows manage my default printer, then turn it off. Once done, scroll up and click on your Epson printer. Click on More Devices and Printer Settings option. Now, right-click on your Epson printer and select the Set as Default Printer option. If you need any help related to Epson printers, please let us know in the comments. If you're still stuck with the problem, let's update the firmware. Method 3. Update firmware. On your printer, press the Home button to open the menu. Now, scroll left to Settings and open it. On the Settings window, go down to Firmware Update and select it. On the Firmware Update screen, select Update. In the Update Introduction window, press OK to start the check. Wait for the printer to look for any available updates. If your printer shows any updates, then move forward with installing the latest firmware.
If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.